Hey everyone, as you know, we're big fans of SunF tires. When it comes time to replace tires on our machines, that's our first choice and our go-to for new tires. They've performed really well on all the machines we've had and have good wear life. Now we only have 230 miles on our Rubicon, but decided to upgrade the tires. Even though the stock ones are doing fine, they did feel a little small, and we still want the same, like the stock size with these SunFs, the A050s or the Godzilla tires, similar to a Mud Light. We've done a review, a little over 400 mile review that my friend did, that he rides with us and has the same tire, and so we thought we would go with these as well. Good all-around tire. But again, even though they're the same stock size, they feel a little bit bigger on the machine. They have really tall tread depth, and so they feel a little bit bigger and look better on the machine. So looking forward to really putting some miles on these. Again, like I say, in all conditions, whether it's on the road, they've performed well for our friend, on the trails, in the creek. So we do a lot of riding in a variety of terrains, and so really looking forward to, like I say, putting some miles on these. And don't forget to use our Southwest ORV promo code when you order from SunF.com. They really have good prices and comparable tires to a lot of the name brands, so definitely worth looking into. Thanks for watching. Check out our videos in the future with these tires on our Honda Rubicon. Look forward to seeing you on the trails.